In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with ClickUp. We're going to set up a clean, organized place for tracking bugs in ClickUp, and make sure the view shows exactly what your team needs, including a sprints column for agile planning. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use bug report list that fits right into your workflow. Start by opening ClickUp and heading to the overview of the space or folder where you want your bug reports to live. The overview is a great starting point because it gives you context for where this new list will sit, and it ensures the right people in your workspace can access it. If you manage multiple spaces, just double-check you're in the correct one before you create anything. Next, look for the plus icon. This is your quick action to add new items. Go ahead and click it. You'll see several options for what you can create. Choose List. A list is perfect for bug tracking because it lets you structure tasks, apply statuses, and display key fields and columns so everything is visible at a glance. Give your new list the name Bug Report. Clear naming makes it easy for teammates to find and understand its purpose. If your team uses a specific naming convention, keep it consistent here so filters and automations will pick it up correctly. Click Create. Your list will spin up right away. You'll land in the list view, which is where you'll manage incoming reports, triage them, and move them through your workflow. At this point, you may see ClickUp offer helpful configuration options. When prompted, click Apply Suggestions. This tells ClickUp to add recommended fields and settings tailored for task tracking, like assignees, priority, due dates, or tags. It's a quick way to cover the basics without manual setup, and you can still customize later if your team needs something more specific. Now, open the Columns menu. Columns control what information you see for each task in this list. Keeping only the columns you use every day reduces clutter and makes triage faster, especially during stand-ups or when reviewing a backlog. From the columns options, enable sprints. Turning on the sprints column lets you connect each bug to the sprint it belongs to, so work stays aligned with your iteration schedule. This is especially useful for prioritization and for reporting during sprint reviews. If your team already runs sprints in ClickUp, this ties bugs directly into that cadence. That's it. You navigated to the right place, created a bug report list, applied smart suggestions, and surfaced the sprints column so your team can act quickly. You're ready to start logging issues and keeping them moving.